Some of the richest people you know don't actually work their asses off to make money. Many of them only do the bare minimum, and they end up having millions flow into their accounts every month. What is the special hack here? It's none other than Chat GPT, the versatile money-making machine. In today's video, we'll take a look at how you can make money using Chat GPT. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Chat GPT can be a powerful tool for generating income. Stick around to find out how. First things first, what is Chat GPT? Developed by OpenAI, Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art language model that can understand and generate human-like text. It's like having a super intelligent assistant that can help with a variety of tasks. Let's explore how you can leverage this to make money. One of the most popular ways to use Chat GPT for making money is by writing blog posts. Content is king, and blogs are a great way to drive traffic to websites. Unfortunately, not everyone is blessed with the gift of writing amazing content. Some even have to spend hours in front of their computer before they can come up with something decent. But ChatGPT has leveled the playing field. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality blog posts quickly and efficiently. For instance, if you need a blog post about the benefits of meditation, simply type in your request and watch as ChatGPT generates a well-structured and informative article in seconds. Remember that your prompt matters. If you need to get specific, don't be afraid to do so. And if you want to make any corrections with ChatGPT's work, simply tell it to do so. This is especially useful for bloggers who need to publish frequently to keep their audience engaged and improve their site's SEO. Another lucrative avenue is social media content creation. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook thrive on regular, engaging content. ChatGPT can help you create catchy posts, craft compelling captions, and even brainstorm new content ideas. It's easy for your head to be completely blank when it comes to these things, but you have to be consistent, so it won't hurt to try it out. Some social media managers handle multiple social media accounts and need fresh content daily. ChatGPT can generate posts that align with their brand's voice and style, saving them time and effort. But you need to go through ChatGPT's output after typing in your prompt. It's not a finished work until you give it a human touch. Popular accounts on Twitter do this frequently. They ask ChatGPT to create a series of tweets promoting one of their new products, and it will provide them with creative and engaging content ready to post. To make your content stand out, you need to optimize it for search engines. SEO involves finding out the kind of words and phrases people type into their browsers or search engines when looking for a product, service, or anyone that offers that. Finding out about this information and using it to your own advantage can change the entire game for you. Without this, it'll be hard for potential readers and customers to find your website. ChatGPT can assist with keyword research and SEO strategies, ensuring your content ranks higher in search results. To start out, you need a set of words that are unique to what you do, your niche. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Suppose you're writing an article on eco-friendly home improvements. You can use ChatGPT to identify relevant keywords and phrases that will help your article rank better on Google. Additionally, ChatGPT can generate meta descriptions and title tags, and even suggest internal linking strategies to boost your SEO efforts. Pretty great, right? Next up, freelance writing and editing. If you enjoy writing or have a knack for editing, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. The writing market is very competitive now, and you should look for ways to do more with less time. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and use the ChatGPT to help with drafting, proofreading, and polishing your client's content. It can even come in handy when applying for jobs. Most of the time, you'll need a resume and an application letter. This can be especially frustrating and annoying when you're starting out as a writer with little or no clients. Because imagine spending hours writing the perfect application letter only for it to get rejected. Thankfully, with ChatGPT, that doesn't have to be the case. You can generate multiple application letters within minutes and submit them after skimming through. If you don't get the job, you won't feel too bad. And when it comes to the real world, ChatGPT is simply the best. If a client sends you a draft, you can use ChatGPT to enhance the clarity and flow, making it publication ready in no time. This is particularly useful for handling large volumes of work or meeting tight deadlines. Another fantastic way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering virtual assistant services. Many businesses need help with customer support, email management, and other administrative tasks. It's like doing your regular physical job, but this time it's just from home. In your regular physical job, you're being closely monitored, so you probably won't get to have as much fun with AI. But since you're working from home, that gives you the liberty to do whatever's necessary to finish on time. With Chat GPT, you can automate responses and handle routine queries efficiently. Let's say you want to set up an automated email response system. Simply input common customer questions and let ChatGPT generate appropriate replies. This way, you can manage multiple clients and scale your business effortlessly. It even gets better from here. Have you ever worked as a translator? In the past, to do that kind of work, you would have to go to school and study extra hard to become fluent in the language because, let's face it, Duolingo has its limits. But with ChatGPT, you can easily apply for a translating job online. Besides, most of these sites and blogs pay on a per-word basis, so that's simply more money for you. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider online tutoring or coaching. Usually, this would take years of mastery in your discipline, but ChatGPT can speed up the process for you and help you deliver the best services. Besides, some teachers have been doing this for over 10 years, and they're still not as good as their counterparts. So why put yourself through all that just to remain mediocre? ChatGPT can assist you by generating lesson plans for your classes, answering student queries, and providing additional resources. This not only enhances your tutoring sessions, but also allows you to take on more students, and more students means more money. Let's say you're a math tutor, and one of your students sends you a tricky question or topic that requires a lot of your time. ChatGPT would provide you with the best way to approach the challenge. Creating detailed lesson plans and providing explanations for complex problems are just the tip of the iceberg. It ensures your students receive high-quality education. Ever considered developing and selling custom chatbots? It's another way to make a ton of money. Many businesses are looking for chatbot solutions to improve customer interaction and streamline operations. The customer doesn't always need to have a phone call with the operators. Sometimes they just need a little guidance from a human-like chatbot. With ChatGPT, you can create sophisticated chatbots tailored to specific business needs. Normally, the entire production process would take weeks, if not months. Remember, you'll be taking all the possible questions that customers can ask and will end up drafting out reasonable answers to them. Let's say you're building a customer service chatbot. By integrating ChatGPT, you can offer a chatbot that understands and responds to customer inquiries accurately, providing a valuable service to businesses. Creating user-friendly Chrome extensions has never been easier. With ChatGPT around, you can easily develop your own AI tools that you can also monetize. You might wonder how ChatGPT fits into the process of developing these extensions. Surprisingly, it simplifies the entire journey. Begin by grasping the fundamentals of web development and brainstorming a solid concept for your extension. Once you have your idea, let ChatGPT handle the complex parts. It can generate the necessary code snippets, assist with debugging, and even suggest improvements to enhance functionality. For instance, if you aim to develop an extension that highlights important text on web pages, you can describe your idea to ChatGPT. It will then produce the required HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Should you encounter any issues, ChatGPT can help troubleshoot and resolve them, ensuring your extension works flawlessly. The result is a custom-made extension, perfectly suited to your requirements and ready to be deployed. This approach not only makes the whole process more accessible, but guess what? It also opens up new revenue streams through AI-enhanced solutions. There you have it, 8 actionable ways to make money with ChatGPT. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating social media content, optimizing for SEO, offering freelance services, providing virtual assistants, tutoring, or developing chatbots, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.